Welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix Maytag microwave open close door error. So guys, this error means the microwave is not detecting the door is fully closed. So guys, make sure nothing is blocking the door from closing fully and wipe the inside edges of the door and the frame to clear it out. Now, you could also clean the door latches. So, grease or food particles can stop the latches from clicking in. So, you could use a damp cloth to clean around the latch and lock area. If it still doesn't work, try opening and closing the door firmly a few times and listen for a clear click when it locks. Now, if it doesn't work still, you could just simply unplug the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes and plug it back in and check if the error clears. If the error keeps showing, the door interlock switch may be faulty, so you may need to call a professional help for further assistance. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.